Is now the right time to buy or sell Google stock? Welcome back to our in-depth analysis of Google. After our initial report was published on Monday, January 22, 2024, we're here to provide you with even more detailed insights. Stay informed on all our latest analysis by subscribing, liking, and turning on notifications. Don't miss out on any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 18, 2023, our system has identified Google as a buy candidate with a score of 2.16. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Over this time, the stock has experienced an impressive gain of 7.67%. This means that, on average, the stock has delivered a daily return of 0.33% since it was tagged as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $148.22, as this would indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 11.29% change over the next 3 months. This means that investors could see a return ranging from 3.56% to 11.67% in that time frame. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 50.75% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return ranging from 37.08% to 51.22%. In other words, the stock could reach a price range of $202.48 to $223.37 after a year. Our latest update on Google's stock price reveals that it ended at $147.71 on Monday, with a decrease of 0.176%. On the last trading day, Monday, January 22, 2024, Google's stock price experienced a decline of -0.176%, dropping from $147.97 to $147.71. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $147.58 and a high of $150.02, representing a 1.65% variation. It's worth noting that the stock price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and has increased by 7.51% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased along with the stock price, which is generally considered a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by -5 million shares on the last day, with a total of 21 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $3.14 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded was $150.02, while the lowest price reached $88.86. Currently, the stock price is 1.54% lower than the 52-week high, equivalent to a decrease of $2.30. Moreover, it is 94.15% below the all-time high of $2,526.99, which was achieved on June 11, 2021. This represents a significant decrease of $2,379.28. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Needham gave Google a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 26, 2023, Susquehanna gave Google a positive rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 26, 2023, KeyBank gave Google an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, May 24, 2023, JMP Securities gave Google a market outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, May 4, 2023, Credit Suisse gave Google a neutral rating with a hold action. According to analysts, Google stock has received a general rating of strong buy. The PE ratio is also rated as strong buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also considered strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for Google's stock. The moving averages indicate positive forecasts for the stock, with both short and long-term signals suggesting a buy. Additionally, the relation between these signals confirms a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downward, there will be support from the lines at $145.08 and $139.14. However, a breakdown below these levels will issue sell signals. It's important to note that some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development of the stock. On Friday, January 19, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 0.176% decrease. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. The volume and price both decreased during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is currently indicating a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands have provided a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average has indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average has indicated a sell signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages has shown a buy signal 45 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following signals. The short-term moving average has indicated a sell signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average has indicated a buy signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages has shown a buy signal 211 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. When it comes to support levels for Google stock, there are 2 important levels to keep in mind. Just below today's level, we find support from accumulated volume at $133.84 and $133.64. If the stock breaks the first support level, it may fall further to the next one at $133.64 and $126.67. It's worth noting that Google tends to have controlled movements and good liquidity, which makes the risk associated with this stock relatively low. In fact, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.75% over the past week. On the last day, it had a price range of $2.43, equivalent to 1.65%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Google, let's begin by reviewing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio helps us understand how a company's current share price compares to its earnings per share. The current P/E ratio for Google is within the normal range, which is typically observed in companies with established track records and predictable revenue streams. Now, moving on to the latest news, the next earnings report for Google's Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share stand at $1.60. It's important to keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Google. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level you should keep an eye on is at $147.97. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $133.84. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a good entry point for traders looking to anticipate a rebound in the stock price. According to multiple analyst sources, Google has received a strong buy rating. Now let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 17, 2024, Pichai Sundar sold 3,488 shares of Class C capital stock. On January 17, 2024, Pichai Sundar sold 15,323 shares of Class C capital stock. On January 17, 2024, Pichai Sundar sold 3,689 shares of Class C capital stock. On March 14, 2023, Hennessy John L. bought 3,580 shares of Class C capital stock. On March 14, 2023, Hennessy John L. bought 3,580 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be -28.029, indicating a negative trend. Overall, insiders purchased 431,100 shares and sold 767,455 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $142.23, which represents a decrease of 3.71%. Due to its low daily movements, this stock carries a lower risk. Additionally, we've identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred just 1 day ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive indicators in the short term that suggest Google stock may be a good investment opportunity. The overall trend is also favorable. Furthermore, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued, considering the volatility and movements in the market. Looking ahead to Tuesday, January 23, we expect Google stock to open at $148.44, with a slight increase of $0.725. Before we dive into today's discussion, it's crucial to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's important to note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and are responsible for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our current view of the stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What price target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our content. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.